Recording.
So, my name is Sam, this is my 911 and I wanted to build an RWB. Right, so next job on the agenda is going to be removing this fan. And from my understanding is we pretty much have to take this entire unit out, the alternator's behind here. So I made a quick start, I removed the first belt, but we're gonna have to take all of this off. I think we have to go inside here and disconnect the alternator from the back. And then we can take it all out, separate it, and then we can paint the fan and make it look much better. Well, that went rather smoothly. We managed to remove the fan. We managed to remove that entire housing that contained the alternator. And then at that point, I was like, okay, let's press on. So I moved the crank, which was a really good idea because it revealed that we have a leak from the seal. And then we removed that big AC bracket so we can access these leaking timing chain covers. So good day, lots of progress, and now everything's open so we can replace some more stuff.